Hello, I'm Ellen. Today we're going to show you how to purchase a yearbook through our Link app. First, make sure you are logged into the app or you may check out as a guest. Next, let's use the search bar, which will give you options as you type the school or organization. Use the drop-down to find your school or organization. Click on the school and it will take you to their storefront, where you will see options to buy the book and purchase ads. Next, you will select the book you wish to purchase, fill out the fields with the student's name, and click Buy Book. This will take you to the upgrade section, where you can purchase a nameplate. If you don't want a nameplate, click the Continue button below. The next page will be your cart, where you can apply coupon codes and view the balance, press checkout, bringing you to the billing section, where you can enter your name, address, and email. If the yearbook is shipping to your school, it will say so on the right. Click Continue at the bottom to go to the payment info section. Make sure your final balance and information are correct. Fill out your credit card information at the top, and once you are ready, press Pay. Once your order is placed, you will receive a payment confirmation email. Please save this until you receive your book. If you need any assistance or have any technical issues, use the contact link at the top of the screen for our tech support email and phone number. Thank you for choosing Entourage Yearbooks, and have a great day.